this is jackwright. I'm going to cook slightly blanched. It's not really a tuna tartare, but it's slightly blanched, but almost like a tartare. So we're going to start with rice. It's a short grading rice. So I rinse this 5 times. Step is to reduce the pork at a medium to low heat, at least by half. Then I have a can here of water chestnuts. So what we're going to do is open both sides of the can. To use this can as a mold, here is a piece of sushi grade tuna, and we're going to dice it. So then cut it across. So we're going to do like a 1/4 inch dice in all 3 planes. And we're going to start dicing the water chestnuts. So with fine dice. So we're going to take the diced water chestnuts and put them in. And now that we've got enough to a slight simmer, we're going to put the tuna in and just slightly blanch it. To add some sea salt. So now that you can see that we have a slightly singed edge on this tuna, we're going to turn it out onto the plates. And to do the final assembly, so take the tuna and then the mold. Now, you put the rice on top. And I have here some microgreens. Let's go put them on top. So you unmold it, and you have the finished product. Have fun in the kitchen. Make sure someone cleans up for you.